I'm Jess, and this is cake. Happy Valentine's Day! So it's Valentine's Day here in Japan, and while in the States, where I'm from, it doesn't really matter who gives who what. Traditionally in Japan, girls will give guys chocolate, and a lot of the times it's chocolate that they've made themselves to kind of show that they put thought into it and that that person is really special to them. Because there's also a tradition called giri-choco, and giri basically just means like obligation, or like you're obligated. So obligation chocolate is a thing, which is giving chocolates to coworkers or to classmates or like people that like you're not romantically interested in, but you still should probably give them something. Today I'm going to actually give not giri-choco but actual chocolate, actually Valentine's Day chocolate, to my husband, but he's out at the moment, so I'm going to take this opportunity to make some stuff for him. My husband, just like me, is actually a cat person, so I had the idea, well, I didn't really have the idea, I found it on the internet several kinds of chocolates or little chocolate candy snacks that are shaped like cats. The first is going to be 3-color calico cat cookies. So this should be fairly simple, but just in case I screw it up, I've got backups. In case those don't work, or just in addition, I'm also going to be making little castella cats. Castella is a kind of cake. These are actually, I think they're called bell castella. Also going to use some pretzel sticks for their tails, and this kind of chocolate, which is called Apollo, they're used for the ears. And then I'm going to use these chocolate melts that I found, that these are actually caramel flavored. My husband really likes caramel. Deco pens, which are basically, they've got chocolate inside them, so right now they're like super hard. But you warm them up in some hot water, and then you can use them to decorate. A lot of shops in Japan, like even the supermarket around Valentine's Day, will have just whole sections dedicated to making homemade chocolates. Deco pens, they have all sorts of sprinkles, all sorts of little packets of nuts and all sorts of things. And they all come in like little sizes, so you don't have to buy a giant thing in bulk. They also have these kind of kits, and I found this one at a department store. It's super cute. These are little chocolate paw prints on basically lollipop sticks. I'm gonna try these out. This should be foolproof. All you need to do is melt chocolate and fill in the molds, so it should be alright. So I'm gonna get started, and you can follow along with me. Okay, so I've got my sleeves tied back, I've got my apron on, it's time to get cooking or baking, whatever. So the first thing we're gonna do is attack the calico cookies. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. So I'm a little bit worried about the calico cookie dough. It turned out very crumbly. I tried adding a little bit of water. I just put all the 3 batches in Ziploc bags, stuck them in the fridge. Hopefully after they chill for a while, maybe that'll help. I'm not feeling super confident about that one right now, but this next one should be a little bit easier, so we're stepping down in difficulty a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, and we're gonna dip them in the melted chocolate, and then I have a clean washed styrofoam tray, we're gonna stick these in the tray vertically so that we don't, you know, get any smudges on our chocolate. We're gonna stick them in the fridge that way. Okay. We're nice and melted. Just like that. Go ahead and try to stick them in here. Alright. These are going in the fridge. Okay, next up is Castella. Just gonna take a toothpick. Just gonna dip them in here. Roll them around a bit. Okay, so they've hardened up in the fridge. So now what we're gonna do is I'm going to melt the chocolate again. It's solidified. And we're going to take these Apollo chocolates and use them as ears. Cute little pink triangles. Okay, that's already super cute. These are gonna go in the fridge to chill. My first attempt. Here they are. So we're gonna take a chopstick and poke a little hole in the back of these guys. Oh my god. It is so cute. Look at this. That is adorable. Husband is going to love these. These are so silly. I love them. This guy's so derpy. This guy's super derpy. But I like him. Our paw prints have chilled up. That is so cute. Ooh. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to finish the calico cookies, but this is why backup plans are important. So the Pop Print Pops have been sitting in the fridge, and they're so cute. These are so sweet. Alright, let's give these to husband so he can say Itadakimasu and dig in. Yeah? Yeah. You waiting for Papa? Hi. Meow. Kiki-chan. Kiki-chan. Hi, Pumpkin. Kiki. 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 Hi, baby. Oh! Okaeri. I have something for you.
Yeah?
Yeah. Kiki, Papa's here. You can say hi. Hello. Did you bring me something? Sorry. No. I have something sitting for you here. Oh, cake, not for you.
you. Oh, so cute. Ooh.
They're caramel.
Which one should I?
These are caramel and these are caramel.
Oh, okay. Which one should I try first?
Anyone you want, but you need to say the magic word.
Itadakimasu.
Castella cat.
Mmm.
I made these.
Wow. You did a really good job.
Thank you.
So cute.
Yay. Niku cute. Niku.
Alright.
Wait, no, please eat it.
Mmm. Yeah, I like these. They're really good.
Yay.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank
Meow.
you.
登録